This is Audible.
The Forever Rule, including the prequel, Before I Knew, Book 1 in the Cage Brothers series, written by Carrie Ann Ryan, narrated by Emma Wilder and Jason Clark.
Chapter 1. Aston. Me. Wait, why did we make a group chat? I thought we already had a group chat, one with a name and everything. Flynn. We had to make a new one because somebody ruined the last one. Dorian. I feel like there was a little sarcasm in your pointed tone. Hudson. How do you hear tone in a text message? Theo. Oh, we read tone. Ford. Seriously though, why the new group chat? Do you understand how many group chats I have? Flynn. It's not our fault that you decided to marry two people who had large families. Hudson. Greer's is a large family with 3 brothers and a bunch of spouses. Noah's family? Calling the Montgomerys large is like saying the Earth is part of the solar system. Dorian. That wasn't even a good analogy. You should have said something like water is wet. Theo. Oh, so are we making fun of Hudson's bad analogy here? Because I'm here for it. Me. I still want to know why we have a new group chat. Why we're even starting with the group chat. Flynn. Because Dorian added his ex to the previous group chat and I didn't know how to quietly remove her without notifying her. Me. Are you serious? She was in there the whole time. Hudson. You don't just add someone to the group chat, you make a separate group chat. Theo. That's the whole rule of group chats. What is said in group chat stays in group chat. Hudson. Until you take a screenshot of your chat and then you put it in the other chat hoping that the person that you're talking shit about doesn't actually see it. And now I've confused myself. Me. I hate all of you. Ford. You love us. Seriously though, do not add spouses to the family group chat, or parents. We have a family group chat with the parents, and then a family group chat with just mom, and then one with just dad. Hence why I'm very confused why we continue to have more of them. We need to name this one. Me. Let's just call it the Cages. Flynn. Yes, because we don't have anything called the Cages in the Cage family group chat. You're the CEO of this family. What the hell's wrong with you? Hudson. He's the president of Cage Enterprises, not the CEO of the family. Flynn. For a man that doesn't work with the company, you do sound a little testy. Dorian. Those sound like fighting words to me. James. I have been in a meeting this entire time. Are we seriously just going to have a 50-message-long group chat about the efficacies and rules of group chat? This isn't Fight Club. Theo. All the more reason to actually speak about the group chat, as we're allowed to talk about it. Like you said, this isn't Fight Club. Ford. I thought we weren't supposed to talk about Fight Club. Hudson. That movie came out, 50 years ago at this point? Flynn. Let's not let Hudson do math anymore. Me. Seriously, now that we know we have a new group chat, we can come up with a name later. Flynn. Fine by me. Did you start this discourse for a reason, eldest brother of ours? Me. I wanted to ensure we were all ready for family dinner on Friday. You know, our favorite thing to do. Hudson. Groan. Dorian. I'm busy. James. New phone? Who's this? Theo. Yes, because that totally works, James. Wait, does it work? I need to know, for reasons. Ford. I will probably have dinner with the Montgomerys. In fact, I'll make sure I'll have dinner with the Montgomerys. Me. Dad won't be there. He's on a work trip. Theo. I'm in. Hudson. Friday night at 6 again? Dorian. I might not make it until 6:30. James. I'll be there. We can hitch a ride together, Flynn. Flynn. What if I have a date? Dorian. You guys, I can't laugh so hard that I pee myself in public. Flynn, a date. Flynn. Your urinary tract problems aren't my problems.